The following video is a KOIKE ARONSON tank turning roll. It is a headstock tailstock unit. The left side is the powered unit. The right side is a idler roll. Chris is going to run a brief video demonstration for us today.
Okay, basically we're going to start off with the pendant. Make sure that the control is set for TP. Hit forward button. Next, we'll use the radio. Switch it to radio. E-stop off. Start. Use the control, just like the pendant. Right. Stop it. Won't move anymore. Now we'll go ahead and we'll move the other wheel. Basically, control on the wheel. This won't work until the main unit is switched back to pendant. See, right now it's locked. 3 to unlock it. Now it's unlocked. Now freely move the wheel. Unlock.
Again, the following video is a ransom headstock tailstock tank welding positioner. It is an 80,000 pound capacity unit. The machine has 2 pendants and a remote control pendant